Grounding brand-fitted king-size sheet with earth connection cable, 400 TC conductive mat with pure silver thread for better sleep and healthy earth energy. These sheets are the best earthing sheets overall. With the finest soft cotton and pure silver grounding thread, there is no question why they are at the top of our list. The grounding brand earthing sheets allow you to tap into the earth's essential energy. When you sleep with these amazing earthing sheets, you get some seriously stellar sleep. Fall into a deep sleep and experience the large list of scientifically tested health benefits. These sheets are perfect for anyone who is extra mindful of their health and wellness, or for someone looking to ramp it up by taking steps toward improving their overall health. Among other benefits, these grounding sheets can speed healing and reduce inflammation. They are ideal for people with chronic illness or pain of any kind, as well as a great addition to any athlete's recovery routine. For many, life can get in the way of our connection to the Earth's vital influx of negatively charged electrons. Sleeping with these grounded bed sheets will give you the chance to reconnect to the Earth and harness the power for major health and wellness gains. Just the smallest interest in alternative medicine is all you need to explore this type of magnetic field therapy and what it can do to improve your sleep and your health. After perusing the web and learning about the different options for earthing sheets, we have chosen these grounding brand sheets as the best earthing sheets. For anyone who believes in the value of investing in one's own health and wellness, these are the sheets for you. Here are some pros. 16-foot grounding wire allows for easy use. Premium high-quality materials. Effortlessly boost your wellness while you sleep. 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. And here's a con. King-sized only.